All right, so I've been showing you guys a lot of real-time tools, and so why not just put them on the millisecond chart? So I made that for you. This is the trend target, so they're coming up, trying to get ready to run over this trend zone, but that's the target. You can see the pulsating bubbles there. They're getting ready to go and hit that. The bar color here actually comes with your $100 purchase as well as the trend with the target. Okay, all of that is coming with your $100 purchase, but the millisecond bars, all right, this comes with the ultimate detection. All right, so and it's a bar type. All right, it's a bar type, so you guys can get closer if you want to see it closer and not have to read those visual stats so rapidly. You can get a lot closer. Right now I just have it set to 10 bars per 1 second, so 10 times as fast as a 1 bar. And of course, again, if you're someone that's into order flow, that may be advantageous for you. So why not just have it as a bar type? So I went on and did that for you. Let's see if we got another trend up here. No, we got a zone sitting up here. We got a zone sitting up there. Let's see if they're responding to that. Again, if you don't know how to trade, I want to say this to you. Please come here. I'll teach you how to trade. Absolutely nothing on the chart. What type of bar it'll be while it's still moving and what it should be before it ends. And when your high and your low is set in real time. And then of course how far that candle will pull back so you don't get stopped out. The trend, again, just need to be able to count to 10. Price action method. I use the majority principle, which states the minority is compelled to follow. And then the chart scale. I'll teach you how to read your bezel so you never have to look left. Indications here. You're more than welcome to come here. I got tons of videos I just been throwing out there. And please, whatever you do, I want to say this to you really quickly. Do not, do not, I repeat, do not go and give anybody $400 for one indicator. I'm going to give you roughly 800 indicators. I'm having a laugh when I say that. 800 indicators, man, for 100 to 250 bucks, man. I've been in this space years ago. I retired. And so I'm just coming back wanting to give you guys some help. So free education, really robust, 4 fundamental ways of how to look at any market. I don't care what time frame it is, it works. Okay. And you don't have to regurgitate other people's information online. You can have your real perspective based on what the market actually does. It's like you and I. Whenever you have a thought, you have the end in mind. Okay, so you already know your end. You know what you want to do before you get going. The market works the same way as a decision place. There's no sectioning off where you go and interact with beginners. No, you're interacting with professionals every time you do this. I had to learn that the hard way. All right, I'm self taught, self directed trader. I don't want you to go through that. All right. Just want to go in and say that to you. So there's no beginner, intermediate, expert. No. The moment you start, you're starting with professionals and they will take advantage of you. So hopefully, if you already aware of how to trade and you just want some better timing, I have that for you. If not, I definitely want you to go over to futures trading and learn how to trade markets professionally with 4 structural ways of how to look at any chart. So there's no ambiguity. The cost of the thought, the center of the trend. That stuff is important. Okay. So where they're going, see that target showing up? They make that trend. That's where they have the end in mind. They created this. All right. Now, if they're not going to hit that, I want to go ahead and assure you of this. They can move down further if they want. There's a lot of room down here. However, we're just going to follow what's on the market's mind. All right. And this comes with your $100 purchase, the trend zones with the trend target. All right. So I'm pulling up on 3 minutes. Well, actually, 4 minutes. Did they hit the target yet? Yeah. Nope. They hadn't got there yet. All right. So I'm pulling up on 4 minutes. I don't want to hold you guys any longer. Again, millisecond, 10 times as fast. You can actually speed it up faster than that if you so choose. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.